Hey guys, welcome to another video on Niger Daily. So guys, this will be one of the most entertaining news you've ever heard for this month, guys. So if you're new to this channel, I would like you to please subscribe, like, and also don't forget to share your opinion in the comment section, guys. So guys, like play, Burna Boy has collected a very straight bullet from all set, guys. Like this whole stuff is going in a very wrong way. So guys, Offset posted on his Instagram recently saying he wanted to have a song with wizkid and wizkid was very expensive, so he had to go to someone lower than wizkid. So he went to Burna Boy, and this is a very wrong word to say in terms of Nigerian music right now. So we all know before Burna Boy was saying is the most paid or is the highest paid African artist in the world right now, and wizkid has been very quiet. Right now we are seeing everything like it has been open to us, and it's so embarrassing, guys. Like this thing is a very big shock, and so right now the fans are reacting to this stuff. You can see different comments from different persons, which I'll be posting, and also I'll be updating you guys as the story goes along. So don't forget to subscribe and share your opinion in the comment section. Peace, guys.